morning, guys. Today's been a pretty busy day so far with work and other business I had to take care of earlier. But yeah, just gonna be doing it for the vlog today. I don't know what's gonna happen today, honestly. I might see Ken, might not. Might just go to the gym with one of my other friends. I don't know how today's gonna go, so you guys will know and I will know when it happens. So I hope you guys having a good day, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time you watch this. And we gonna do it for the vlog. Wildlife. Alright guys, so I was making a delivery a while ago and I'm turning like left on this one street and I heard pop and I thought my tire like blew out, but it wasn't my tire. It turned out to be my axle, and this just happened like about 2-3 weeks ago. My cousin like took my car, so my axle broke. I had to get it towed, and it's a Wednesday, so it's like not even payday, so I just had to use all my money, literally all my money, to get this car towed up to the shop to fix the other side that I just fixed that happened to the other side. And it's just like stressful, man, you know, but I'm gonna do it for the vlog and let y'all know what's up. So now I'm about to walk like 2 miles home because I'm so broke right now. It's crazy, but let me show y'all how the car look. Like, y'all see my tire right here? It's like completely messed up, like it's broken off. But yeah, I'm gonna leave my baby. Hopefully I get it fixed tomorrow or something. So now I'm about to walk home like 2 miles. It's crazy. And hopefully somebody don't try to mug me or nothing, you know, walking home 2 miles with the expensive camera. But yeah, I'm doing it for the vlog. So I'm walking down this strange block and it's like, I feel like I'm about to get mugged or something. I mean, look at this house right here. I mean, do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? This is insane. This is insane. I feel like I'm about to get mugged. So I'm just walking on this block, random block. So you guys want to know what I was just thinking about? Like, I've been having a horrible week. Like, my week has been like completely horrible, and I'm able to share that with, you know, people, and that's kind of amazing, you know, to be able to share what happens to me, you know, throughout my life or whatever. And I decided to hold the bag on my shoulder because it's like irritating holding it on my hip with the strap over my shoulders. But yeah, it's just, I just been having a messed up week. But you know, everything happened for a reason, you know. And hopefully I can get my car fixed tomorrow because I'm like flat broke. My insurance about to come up. It's like, man, I just been having a horrible time, and you know, hopefully something good, something great come out of this. And I can't wait to get home. Man. But I hope you guys are doing better, you know, and stuff. And it feels so weird walking on this block holding up my camera. I feel like people staring at me because it's so quiet. It's like, it's crazy. Don't mug me. But yeah, I'm doing it for the vlog and thing. Alright, hey guys, I just got home and today just been a hectic day, you know, guys. But you know, everything happens for a reason, you know, big or small, whatever the case may be. I just wanted to like uplift anybody that's going through anything right now. If you're going through something, whether it be personal, financial, you know, just anything, you know what I'm saying? Just keep pressing through it, because eventually you're gonna overcome that problem, you know what I'm saying? And you know, nothing lasts forever, you know what I'm saying? Eventually you're gonna get over whatever you need to get over, and hopefully you come out of it stronger, you know, you learn something from it. That's always important. Every little obstacle or anything that you go through in life, always take something from it, you know, so you don't make that same mistake or you don't go down that path again. Like, I just been going through a lot and I'm learning a lot, and I'm trying to elevate myself, you know, to become a better person, a better human being. And this vlog thing, it's vlogging, just period, it's, you know, it's been helping me, you know, to become a better person, to just share who I am, you know, and to just grow. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully connect with certain people that's going through similar stuff like me, or, you know, have similar lifestyles like me, because my life is like, it's pretty boring. But if you watch, you know what I'm saying, thank you for watching. And if you subscribe, you know, you share my videos, I really appreciate it. Like, I'm not trying to blow up on YouTube or anything. I'm just really just trying to just, you know, like, get a little community together of people with like similar lives like me that can relate to me and that I could just share who I am with. But like I was saying, you know, if you're going through anything, guys, you know, just keep pressing through it, because eventually you are gonna come through it. And learn, guys. I'm telling you, learn from every mistake, from anything that you go through. Always learn, guys. And that's all I really have to say, you know. I'm not gonna make this hold me down. Like, I just fixed my car like about 2 weeks ago, and the same thing happened on the other side. It cost me cash, and I basically spent all the cash I had today, or all the cash I have in my name period right now, to get my car towed to the tow trucking place. But I'm not complaining about it, you know. It is what it is, and stuff happened for a reason, you know. And I'm grateful for my mom too. Anybody that got a good mom out there, you know, big ups to your mom. Show love and always respect your mom. I need to start listening to her more, because I really don't, because she be down my neck all the time. But you know, guys, just keep your head up, guys, and I hope you guys have a good day, a good, you know, evening, good whatever time you watch this. And I'm doing it for the vlog. Wildlife. Alright, guys, I just woke up from a long nap because I was just sleepy, but I'm about to head downstairs and get something to eat. Doing it for the vlog. And I think it's National Dogs Day today, so here's Max. Say hello, Max. Max. Alright, guys, so this is what I got. Some orange juice, some brown stewed chicken with white rice, and I'm about to bring this upstairs and I'm about to smash. Alright, guys, I've just been having you know, you guys already heard how my day been going so far. So yeah, I'm just about to KO for the night, and hopefully tomorrow's a better day. Hopefully I hear from my mechanics and whatever, and you know, get some stuff done tomorrow. And yeah, today been a really boring day. You know, I was planning on doing stuff, but obviously that didn't happen. So, you know, hopefully tomorrow's a better day. Hope you guys have a, you know, good whatever time you're watching this. And I'm doing it for the vlog. Wildlife.